eating pickles. Hi, I'm Karina.
I'm Josie.
Don't trip it over me. And we're eating pickles. Yeah, pickles.
Pickles.
Don't get on my computer. What?
I just got an email at a garage sale with Karina. She bought it for me.
And when I got this one, don't know if you can see that. That little one with the ball thing on it. And then I got all these necklaces. Bracelets. Shut up.
Aren't they cool?
Yeah.
And Hannah Crookham was just with us. But she left.
Yeah. Pretty cool. We're gonna put this one on.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, Josie. Bye bye.